Welcome back to AI on Crypto. On this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency prices and trends, altcoin gems, and all things on the blockchain, doing what we can to help fill your bags to the max while keeping you far, far away from Wreck City. And today, guys, we got an exciting video for you. We are going to talk about my top 3 picks for passive income or revenue making with blockchain gaming. All right, but before we get into it, I'd like to invite you newcomers to the channel to hit subscribe. We're doing a big NFT giveaway at the end of April. All you got to do to enter yourself into that NFT giveaway is hit subscribe and then type I subscribed in the comment section. We're going to be giving away a Guardian NFT from the Conflux Network. These NFTs can be bought on their decentralized exchange Moonswap right now. They trade for about 335 Moon, which are $250 a piece. So we're talking about a $900 NFT. Don't miss your chance on that. Hit subscribe, type I subscribe in the comment section. All right, guys, and without any further ado, let's get to my top 3 choices for making income with blockchain gaming. Okay, guys, coming in with my number 3 pick for earning income with blockchain gaming is the blockchain-based strategy card game called Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained is a cryptocurrency-based trading card game where users can buy, collect, and sell or trade their ERC20 unique NFT trading cards, okay? This is a kind of a game that's similar to Magic the Gathering or Hearthstone in that genre of strategy card games. And I got to tell you guys, it's really, really fun. I've actually been buying and owning cards since their Genesis era, so I actually have quite a collection. Not only can you have cards, but they also have things to customize your playing board, onboard items in the form of NFTs that you can also own, trade, or buy or sell. So it's really cool, guys. So how do you earn money with this game? Well, simply by playing the game, you can actually earn the core set of the cards, which are tradable. And while you play the games, you also earn Flux, and Flux is what you use to actually mint these cards on the blockchain. So that's one of the ways to earn tradable NFTs through Gods Unchained. The other way, and by the way, when you get these cards, you go to the marketplace here, and here you can see all the various cards that you can buy or sell, and you see these things go for a pretty penny. Here's Jason going for 0.58 Ethereum, and that's a legendary card, and that's just one example. Demogorgon here, a great card going for 0.7 with the shadow borders. So it's a cool collectible game, and just by playing, you can actually earn packs, and you get the core set, which are tradable, okay? But the main way that you can earn great value and cryptocurrency with this is to play in their weekend tournament. Now, in order to earn great valuable prizes, you are going to have to win, all right? So basically, from Friday to Sunday, they have a weekend ranked tournament. For everybody who plays on the weekend, you're ranked for your first 25 games. And out of that first 25 games, if you can win at least 16, you start winning real packs with great cards in it that can be traded, sold, whatever. And I'm talking you can, and if you win more, like closer to 20 games or more, then you're going to get some legendary packs, some epic packs, and it's a great way to have some fun with a really cool blockchain card game that's really fun. If you like the fantasy genre, if you like the kind of Magic the Gathering genre card style game, this is awesome. Super collectible with various forms of rarity on the cards, and these things are very limited. They're about to finish their second release of blockchain cards, the trial set, and they're moving on to a very bright future. So this concludes our number 3 blockchain gaming revenue producer. Okay, guys, coming in number 2 is going to be Axie Infinity. Look at these adorable little Axies up on my screen right now. So this is also a collectible game, kind of like Pokemon, where you collect these cute little characters, and then you go out into the land, you go out in adventures, and you battle other Axie owners. This is actually the number 1 gaming NFT ecosystem out there in terms of volume and in terms of users. Axie Infinity is really blowing up right now. Here you can check out the homepage. These are some very, the artwork is very, very cool. You can see that you can trade on our in-house marketplace where they have 25,000 plus Ethereum worth of stuff. The most expensive Axie ever sold was over 300 Ethereum. And there's 19,000 plus monthly active on-chain users. And for a blockchain NFT game, which is still very niche at this early point, that is a big, big user base. And you can see at the Axie Infinity Marketplace here that you can buy Axies, but you can also buy land, you can buy items, you can buy bundles. And people are playing this all the time and earning what's called LP tokens within the game. Then this ecosystem has a native token called Axie, which is tradable on exchanges. And basically through your gameplay, you can earn things tradable for Axie, which of course, as we know, if it's tradable for something that's on an exchange that can be traded for Bitcoin, Ethereum, then it's really, guys, it's as good as money. And this stuff, and people are earning great income with this game. Of course, in order to win these LPs, you need to actually win some games. And I think you have to have at least a little bit of money to start out with to actually buy your Axies, buy some items. And what you need to do is you need to watch some YouTube videos about Axie Infinity, because there's a lot of people out there that will share their strategy with you on YouTube and tell you how to start playing this game. But if you're looking for a fun little game to play on the weekends or in your spare time, why not find one that you can actually earn money while you play? And guys, believe me when I say this, there are some places in the world, third world countries, where their currency is worth nothing, that there are people playing Axie and actually paying their rent with this game right now, which is incredible. And it's a small peek into the future that blockchain gaming is going to bring to this world. Right now, people are able to pay their bills in third world countries. It's more expensive in places like the UK, America, Australia. It's just very consumer driven and very expensive. But I think blockchain gaming is going to get to the point where even in those societies, people are going to potentially earn an average wage above the poverty line simply through blockchain gaming. But we'll see. So anyways, this concludes my number 2 choice. All right, my number 1 pick for earning revenue, and in this case, passive revenue, which is what we all want, is going to be the Gala Games ecosystem, and specifically owning a Gala Games network node. Now, they have an amazing farm and town style game out right now called Townstar, very similar to the Farmville game that came out a few years back, where people right now are actually earning Gala by playing the game and by playing their contests. So they actually are producing valuable cryptocurrency in their Townstar game as we speak. And that could have easily made the number 2 or 3 spot. But since I was going to give the number 1 spot to actually owning a Gala network node, then we're going to actually focus on the node today. If you want to get started with Gala Games, take a look at their ecosystem, check out their games, or even buy a node, use the link in my description and I'll actually get some referral rewards. And once you enter the ecosystem, you can share your link as well with your friends and family and social media friends, and you can earn rewards in the ecosystem as well, whether you own a node or you don't. Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel or you just haven't seen one of my Gala Games videos yet, this ecosystem is popping off and on fire. It really hasn't been around that long, and they've already got a lot going on. They've got their game Townstar, and they've got an awesome new game coming out called Mirandus that you can see here on my screen next to Townstar, and then below that, a brand new game called Fortified. Okay? So they are really producing at a high level, and the leadership at Gala are people that have really succeeded in the traditional gaming markets. They all have experience with AAA games. They have experience leading Fortune 500 companies traded on the stock exchange. And these guys are true gamers leading a real company. They are gamers that are also high-level businessmen, and they have an altruistic vision of the future where they are tired of the fact that people spend all this money in games like World of Warcraft and Valorant and Fortnite for game skins and stuff like that. But if they want to move on from the game, they're not allowed to sell their username to recoup all that money and time that they invested in it. What they want to do is they want to give the games back to the players, and they want to let the players own their in-game items. So every game that Gala Games produces is going to be kind of built around this concept of digital ownership and NFTs. Okay, so what does it mean to be a Gala node owner? So they want to have a truly decentralized network. They don't want to rely on Amazon server systems, or whatever, these big server farms for their network. So they are going to have 50,000. So they have 50,000 network nodes that they are calling grandfather nodes that you can buy right now, and they're not cheap. I think right now they're going for $8,400, and every 100 that sell, they go up in value $100. By the time the 50,000th network node sells, it is expected to be in the $35,000 range. Okay, so why would you spend that much money on a node? So it is essentially the way that you mine this token. People that own the node and run it in the background of their computer, they get daily Gala distributions. Actually, you can kind of see my distributions right here, and every single day I get at least 1,100 Gala or more. You can also see where I've been dropped some NFTs. So not only do you get daily rewards in Gala, but you also get NFTs for their game that you can sell on platforms like OpenSea.io and earn real Ethereum with these NFTs. So the NFTs are amazing and the Gala rewards are amazing. But one of the thing that perhaps excites me most is the fact that in the future, I think Gala is going to have a lot of successful games and millions of users. And when this vision is achieved in the future, there's going to be a lot of transactions on their network. People are going to be interacting with each other, buying and selling their NFTs, trading their NFTs, and every time this happens, there's going to be small network fees. And the grandfather node owners are going to get a percentage of these network fees in the future. So the bigger the Gala Games ecosystem gets, the more revenue that the Gala nodes operators and owners are going to get in the form of rewards. And so I am incredibly excited that I have one node, and I really would like to get more than one before they get to $35,000, because if it gets that high, I might be priced out of the market. So hopefully I can get another one relatively in the near future. Now, guys, I'm not a professional financial advisor. Do your own research. All this stuff is risky, but these are my top 3 picks for making money with blockchain gaming. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I try to respond to as much as possible. Give yourself a chance to win that Guardian NFT by hitting subscribe and tap in I subscribed in the comments, and we will catch you guys on the next video.